let's build you a budget white gaming PC. For the case, we're gonna go with this Montech XR. It's only $65. It has 3 RGB fans and good airflow. What more can you ask for? For the CPU, we're gonna go with this Intel Core i5-13400F. You can snag it for about $135. An affordable GPU just really doesn't exist anymore, but I did find this GeForce RTX 4060 from Gigabyte for about $390. This ASRock B760 Pro motherboard is only about $129. She's got built-in Wi-Fi. We've got 32 gigabytes of RAM from Team Group. The T-Force Delta RGB RAM is only $97. Get your 2 terabyte SSD from Silicon Power for only $90. Get the 750 watt PSU from Corsair. It's only $129. Lastly, get this CPU air cooler from UpHere for only $40. This build will run you about $1,075. Now tell me, would you build this or are you still saving for that $5090?